Welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet potato, and if you want to add a little saying to it, I have the link down below for that and the pattern. If this is your first time with beginner stitches, I have a playlist down below and you can play this video in slow motion if it's too fast. Okay, I used a G-hook medium worsted yarn. Okay, so let's get started. In the magic ring, I'm going to create 6 single crochet, slip stitch into your magic ring. If this is your first time, the link is down below on how to do so, or you can do a chain 2, work all of your stitches in the chain, first chain from the hook. Insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a single crochet, and work 5 more single crochet into the magic ring. Once you have all 6, you're going to pull it closed, slip stitch into it, slip stitch into the first stitch to close it. I'm not going to work any more slip stitches. I'm going to work in continual rounds. You can use a stitch marker. Now in each stitch, you're going to work 2 single crochet. This will be a total of 12 altogether. Work 2 in each until you get back to the beginning, and you can use a stitch marker here. Now you're going to work 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet, and then just repeat that to the stitch marker. So 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. Work that until you get to the beginning. Now single crochet in each stitch around until you get to the stitch marker for a total of 7 rounds. Complete that until you have 7 rounds total. You're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then work 2 in the next for an increase. Work that until you get back to the beginning. So 1 in the next 2 and then increase. Work that until you get to the stitch marker. Now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work an increase. So 2 in the single crochet, and then you're going to repeat that 1 in the next 3, and then work an increase, and then work that until you get to the stitch marker. Now you're going to single crochet in each stitch around until you get to the stitch marker for 2 rounds. So just single crochet till you get to the stitch marker and do it for 2 rounds. Now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work a decrease. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, go into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is for a decrease. Then you're going to work a single crochet in the next 3 and just repeat. And then work your decrease. You can do an invisible decrease. They have videos on how to do that, which kind of disguises it a little bit better. And then you're going to work this until you get to the stitch marker. Now single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then work your decrease. And then you'll just repeat that to the beginning, work 1 in the next 2 and then decrease. Work it until you get to the stitch marker. So I added the eyes and I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about the 8th row. It's up to you on where you'd like to place it. You can place a little nose here, which I can show you. Then if you'd like, you can add the little note here. And to finish, you're going to do 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet together. So just do 1 and then 2 single crochet together until you get to the stitch marker. You can start stuffing it too. So about the 8th round, you can place the eyes, and then you can make a little face here. If you want to make this potato a little bit longer, you can always add more rounds. Now do another round of single crochet and then 2 single crochet together until you get to the stitch marker. And to end you can work 2 single crochet together until you get to the stitch marker. So all you have to do on the back is just weave in your ends a few times to complete. If you'd like, you can add the sign, and the link for that is down below. It comes with little holes in it, or without. If you don't want to do the holes, you can glue it on. And you just take your yarn underneath and sew right into the hole. And you can go ahead and just take your yarn needle and weave your ends underneath so you can't see it. Okay, so your positive potato is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. The pattern is down below, and thank you for watching.